Today I'm making a rich and creamy make-ahead hot chocolate. I'm starting with 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is much cleaner than chopping up chocolate bars. Add a cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't leave out the salt. It makes it taste more chocolatey. Microwave until smooth, stirring halfway through. It'll take about 2 minutes. Refrigerate the chocolate mixture until it's firm, which will take about 2 hours. Scoop out a few tablespoons of the chilled chocolate mixture and roll them into balls that are about 2 inches in diameter. It's a little messy, but it's well worth it. You should have about 10 of these by the time you're done. Wrap each ball in plastic and transfer them to a Ziploc bag. From there, you can refrigerate them for up to 5 days, or you can freeze them for 2 months. When you're ready to drink hot chocolate, just unwrap a chocolate ball and drop it in a cup of milk. Microwave until it's smooth and hot, stirring halfway through, which will take about 2 minutes. It's delicious, especially with some marshmallows on top or maybe some whipped cream, or if you're feeling it, like a little splash of bourbon. So good. Now I just need a good book and maybe a blanket.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.